Hello, sir. So it's great to have you here at VMC Medical. Sir, my first question is, could you please provide guidance on critical health concerns for students and share valuable tips to help them maintain their well-being?
Thank you so much for having me here. I think students who are preparing for medical entrance have to actually have two concerns. First is their physical well-being, and the second is their mental well-being. The physical well-being is by having a good diet and good healthy habits. You need to understand that the brain cannot work constantly. So when you're studying for a long time, make sure that you take frequent breaks. After certain amount of time in a monotonous study, the brain starts to tire off. So आप अगर बहुत लंबा बैठ के पढ़ते रहेंगे तो ब्रेन में रजिस्टर नहीं होता. Take frequent breaks. उन breaks में do some small stretching exercises, some yoga. That will actually maintain a good posture and your brain will get rejuvenated. If you take frequent breaks, maintain a good diet, and maintain a good posture, studying becomes easier, assimilation becomes easier, and the processing becomes faster. No point studying if you can't reproduce and you can't recollect and if you can't assimilate it. So, study hard and better than that, study smart.
Thank you, sir. So moving on to my next question. So now that many students are preparing to embark on their journey in medical colleges, what steps can they take to ensure a smooth transition and successful experience in their medical education?
I think once you have reached this level that you're going to the medical college, you already know what is to be done. You have to be sincere. You have to be always, constantly working. It should not come in spikes. So this is what you have done till now. The consistent efforts that you have made till now, you should continue in college also. And as we were talking in the ceremony, you should now also have certain hobbies, certain activities which you can undergo so that your recreation level is also maintained. And you'll realize that with your way of studying, you will be actually able to sail through the medical college like a very smooth sailing.
Thank you, sir. So one last question: as AI is impacting the world, okay, it is making inroads in every industry. So what do you have to say about AI in medicine or in medical field? A word or two on that.
I think compared to what 30, 40 years before was actually read out a book and they do everything from that. Now studies, especially medical studies, which are very practical oriented study, is basically much depend on AI. And with artificial intelligence coming big time, I think interaction with patients virtually is much more, which is actually a big boon for patients as well as the students because they can interact more with our patients and the hands-on experience that our students now get regarding the diseases, the patients, their psyche is much more with the advent of AI rather than just a book-oriented study.
Thank you so much, sir, for your time. So one last question: can you throw some light on the aspect? What is the right preparation strategy for the budding NEET aspirants?
I think you are the people who have to tell. That's a question that needs to be answered by you. But if you ask me, I'll tell you one thing. First thing is motivation. You should be motivated enough that you have to do this. And then second thing is that if you're motivated, nothing comes with motivation alone. You have to be disciplined. So if you're motivated and you have discipline, then there's nothing in this world which you can't conquer. NEET is nothing.
Thank you so much, sir, for your time.